Igbo mụrụ nze m ọzọ, anyị ekene unu ọzọ n'ụbọchị uhuruchi tata. Anyị si unu ụtụtụ ọma, efifie ọma, mgbede ọma, site na ngara ebe isi wee na-esoyere anyị n'iru akwụkwọ n'ụbọchị nke taa na Igbo midia, bụ ebe anyị si wee na-ewetara unu ya bụ ife gbara ọkpụrụkpụ na-eme na ana Igbo dị iche iche, obodo dị iche iche na ana Igbo na obodo nke anyị nọ n'ime ya. Dịka o si dị, ọbụna nke a bụ mbọsị izizi gị ị na-esonyere anyị n'iru akwụkwọ na Igbo midia, ekabalụ ka imetụ aka n'ebe a na-acha red and subscribe ọ, share ekwe ya, gbakwa ụmụnne anyị ndị ọzọ ka fa anyị na-esonyekwara anyị n'ihe anyị na-eme dị iche iche na Igbo midia. Dịka o si dị, o nwee nnukwu ya wetara unu ebe akwụkwọ gbasara maka ife na-eme n'obodo a. Anyị ga-achọkọ nke ya bụ ife unu ga-esia ya, unu adọrọpụrụ anyị kọmentị n'ife unu chere n'ụdị nke unu gbasara maka ya bụ ife niile ekwu n'iru akwụkwọ. Alright, over to you, sir.
Please, this is your time. We don't have this always. We don't have this opportunity all the time. So when we have it, we make the most of it. Please, Galaxy
the day Etetamora Manola Oyendo was arrested in Kenya, was kidnapped. Hi. First of all, we map him. December. Baja. No. Actually, didn't have weekend. They cannot use that. And you came up and took up the flag. I just want to say thank you. We here over in Australia, Angela Bali, okay, kind, will be contributing and will be helping. Angela Bali, making sure. Then what type BIAFRA? I went out on Choriuku, like I spoke to my mail before I started, and I said, you Choriuku, I just like open Choriuku. I just say, double label. You know?
Ndewo.
And make a leg, Mama, Jisike.
Ndewo.
Honestly, but for you to take this flag, we are solidly behind you. We are solidly behind you. We are solidly behind you. For me, 100%, 200%, 300%. Engelaga.
Ndewo.
Engelaga. Thanks for coming to Australia. And I made at least one of my brother made $100. I mean, make $200. Thank you. Thanks for coming to Australia. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
All right, Sonny, we are now over 6,000. So please remember, it's very important for the record.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Sorry, please.
How do I unmute? Do I just have to say anything?
I can help you.
Sorry, Ogaluko will make it do something.
Yes,
This
go ahead.
yeah, this last speaker, Chibuzo,
Unmute.
Okay. Am I in now?
yeah, brother Chibuzo.
Yes.
One name, I like one more. Wow. I just want to confirm. I just want to confirm, my brother. I just want to confirm. I just want to confirm. He will do. So he's going to born. I am mad. He's
I had it. I'm a tip about from that one. I'm a tip about.
That one day, again. Thank you very much.
I've been
I'm put a phone, but I'll be angry before I'm on the good most of our PM.
Anything like that in our own ways. Anything like that in our own ways.
Of course,
so we have to prepare for the best. You know, we are ready to dance the music.
Good to see you.
Yeah, we are ready to dance the music. Into what
good.
You know,
good to see your face, brother. Thank you.
Awesome.
Thanks for that. Yeah.
Wonderful. Kachida, are you ready? You can unmute yourself. Yes, you're muted.
Hello?
Yep, go ahead.
Okay.
Do you want your video on?
No. I'm okay. I'm at work right now.
Okay.
Okay, thank you, sir. I greet all Biafrans all over the world, and I thank all the governments, Biafra government in exile. I thank the Prime Minister, the Honorable Simon Eba, and the Information Minister, Sonia Akpalawa, all the media team. I thank everyone. My name is Oyekachi Agon Nama. I live here in South Africa, and to support in what we are doing. I don't have much to say because I'm following everything that is happening, the activities of our Prime Minister and the Biafra government in exile. So it's 500 rounds. I know how to get it to James, Mass James. Thank you very much.
Wonderful.
Thank you.
Thank you all the way from South Africa. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Ifeanyi Okoye. Ifeanyi Okoye, can you unmute yourself? Yes.
Yeah.
Go ahead. It's your
Yeah,
video.
and I know.
Yeah. I know it's going to be.
Yeah. How about Toby?
There, what?
How about Toby?
There, what?
You are welcome to Australia. I am Nabatag. n'Australia na asị na ihe iji ama dike awụrụ n'okwu ọnụ n'ihe o mepụtara. Anyị wụ Biafra afụgo ihe imepụtara onye ka anyị ji akpọ dike. Anyị na-ekene gị na asị na onye asị ya jiri ka o ji na ya ma na ihe ọ na-eme dị mma. Anyị kwụrụ n'azụ sị rịwa na ya ha ada na odogwu ka ewu dike ka ewu. Abana welcome na I wanna say welcome n'Australia. Nwa bi ka mgbe were nya wọ fọn riji eme ihe ma a na-asị na gị gaba na Chukwu kwuo n'azụ, ọhịa na ụzọ kwuo n'azụ, mmiri na ọnwa kwuo n'azụ, dịba na enweghị ọdịda. Ọ gị bụ onye nwere olileanya na turu gị na ya enweta Biafra. Anyị na-asị na ya dị ka echi na echi anaghị agwụ agwụ. Anyị na-asị gaba na anyị na-eso n'azụ. Anyị na-ekpere ekpere n'ụtụtụ, na-ekpere n'ehihie, na-ekpere n'abalị, mgbe niile ịdị anyị n'obi maka na onye a na-akpọ nwere ihe ọ na-eme. Ana m awalụghị ọjị dịka Nwanri eji $100 Australia wa na awalụghị ọjị. You're welcome.
Thank you. And as Egbu, aka jikwa moji ndị Australia ana m atakwu ya. Egwa na ya ka na-ata since.
Isiga our PM Isiga. No.
Maka na m afụ ka ị na-egwero nke gị. So
Ihe kwuru ka a na-eme na. Onye mmụọ ka a na-eme our PM.
Ọ bụ ọkụ ihe kwuru ka a na-eme nke native doctor bụ ite n'aka ọkụ na-enwu.
Mba.
Ọ na-asụ ihe kwuru ka a na-eme ọkụ abaya na akwa.
Mba, nke a bụ ihe mmụọ, nke a bụ ihe mmụọ, nke a bụ ihe mmụọ. Ọ bụrụ ụdị nke ahụ, ihe mmụọ.
Okay, Udo. Another hands up, Chukwudi Onyekachi. Chukwudi, are you there? You can unmute yourself and speak. Are you there? Chukwudi, are you there?
Chukwudi, onye nke na-achị kọntrolu kamera.
Ọ dịkwa ka ya.
Oh my God, I'm about to go!
Ama m nọ ndị osochi Egbu. O mere request control camera m, so mgbatị nkịtị. All right, I will really need the questions. All important. Onye ọbụla nwere ụdị question. Ịbatagon.
Off video PM ahụgaghị ihu m. Chineke na ihu ekwensu ka ọ pụtakwa.
Nwa gbanyụ video now.
Gbanyụ video gị.
Etinye m ya. Ihu ekwensu apụta ha na. Ị ga-anụ ntị taa PM na ịbatara na teritori m. PM onye asị na nne ya mụrụ ya. Ọwụghị ọnụ ka akọrọ ya. Bete onye asị na nne ya mụrụ ya. Ọ ugwu na nsọpụrụ ka e nyere onye ya. Nna gị mụrụ gị. You are doing Chineke nna gozie gị ekwene me before. That prayer cannot be overemphasized. I'm ekpe ya taa kpee ya echi kpee ya nwanne echi ise all lipstick nnete. You know, Chukwu will God will always leave your grounds fertile. You Kanu ebe anwa ọ nọ are we going to forcefully get him out of that place? What do? We cannot continue. Are we going to continue leaving him in the hands of animals? What really, if it's a classified information, I will understand. But PM.
Yes, it remain classified information. And
okay.
Where they understand what is going on.
Of course.
Better than many people.
Of course.
Want to know Gamabo. Ndi Igbo anyị kwuo okwu sị na aka Chukwu dị ya.
Yes.
The man indeed in aka Chukwu dị ya. He will come out. He will come out in a historic manner. Believe me.
Yes.
Yes.
Kogesi wepụta alone ga-abụ a history on its own. I have said it.
PM, you also Okwigami. Otu obi Okwigami. Chere pucha bemo majọ PM opportunity nwere. Ya gbara Ghana 11 chi ejejelo Finland n'abalị. PM, ihe na-akpụ n'ụzụ. Okwigame ịkpụ ụzụ mandatory na Biafra. Lee otu nri mkpụ ụzụ nwe m ọzụ. Onye nwụrụ ga-agba ọsọ. So, emekwere compulsory biko.
Everybody we are going to have the military service. Anybody above 18 years, between 18 years and 28 years of age is a must. You must serve in Biafra army. You got to go. So and in the army, I got the compulsory. I get wozu, everyone wozu. So it got wozu na Biafra. Na Biafra army.
I made you look King Kong, my wozu.
He got to go the age. He got to go the age. He must go the last year.
You know, any society, like I get with the Finland and Biafra. We're not joking. In this country, Finland, any place legal, I need special preferences to every county in gym, in recreational centers, in where people will go and do exercise, gym, or that is everywhere. So, and the research says that when you have, like in a country like Finland, for example, when people get to some certain age, the city take care of them, and the hospital here go free of charge so long as they not here legally. You gotta go. Yeah, but anyway, national insurance that subsidize everything about health. Okay, so I've been aware research. I talked that now. The more the madune move out, the more the rate of sickness drops. The more the city will spend less money in subsidizing people that are getting sick. Okay, so what did they do? They make sure that there are gyms, there are recreational center. Even the national insurance pay for people to go to gym. If you are handicapped, if you are sick, for example, they pay you money they pay for gym for you. They pay for you to go to gym. If you are disabled, for example, you get money to go to gym. So if you are also disabled, the government also provide transportation for you. And when they even a taxi, like special taxi, they just call taxi will carry you. The taxi will not charge you one dime. The government will pay for that taxi. So these are the things that we are bringing to Biafra. So here basalo sports, here basalo fitness, here basalo exercise must be taken very seriously, because it is going to boost the economy of the country. When people are healthy, they produce more. When people are healthy, their mind think differently. Okay, when people are healthy, everything about them changes. It is not a must that everybody must do the same thing. No, but the government must invest in that particular aspect of our lives, that we will provide recreational centers, exercise centers, gym for every Biafran citizen. Let it not be that the centers are not available. Okay, we'll make it available, provide it for the people, and the people can now see the effect of it in our society. You know, so it is better to encourage your children to begin to go to gym, begin to do some certain sports, than allowing them to go to the street and become drunken and become criminals and become to start doing a lot of bad things that are not you don't work. So let them spend that energy, waste that energy in something that will be positive, in the society. So that's what Finland is doing. So everything, in as much as they do this, does not mean that there are no drunkards, does not mean that there are no crime, but at least if it is not there, it will have been worse. Okay, so we review these things every year, and it get better. So it was, for example, in our own military here, we have everybody have specific every day mandatory. We have the time for exercise. You must go to gym, in the military, and then you go and exercise and all that. So I had a major competition. And when you are good now, everybody will come and be looking at you. You never know can that boy. You become a champion. When I was in the military, I am the record holder of standing long jumping. The record holder. I jumped over 3.5 meters standing, and it was a record. So the record is there in my regiment. I am the record holder for standing long jump. Okay, all these things. You will have a test to swim. You will swim like 200 meters non-stop. You are going to run Cooper test, and all those things are things that will make you to we test your fitness and all that. So we must do it in Biafra land. It's a must.
Wow.
Great. PM, I got quack on this one.
The chapter Hamanka, that's in my regiment, in a Jaguar battalion, because that's where I served. In Jaguar battalion, I was the record holder for standing and jumping.
To Prime Minister, all
right, I think you people can be calling people, if there is somebody who want to ask other questions, because it looks like people are more interested in this Australia tour. We have almost very soon 7,000 live viewers.
PM, will all 11 minutes past 10 abali here. So like people like a former that Espero was talking about earlier. It one down now. There's no chance in the world you will get them on the phone by now.
Okay. Okay.
No, I must show point of correction. Mazal Former is watching. Mazal Former is watching. Mazal Former is watching here. But
that's good.
The good thing is that they are listening and they are hearing what our PM is saying.
Which is good.
What I'm trying to do, what I will suggest to them is, please, don't be ashamed, don't be scared. Our PM is here. Join in, ask him question.
Yes.
Ask him question. That question, I want you people to come and ask Moses Simon a question. Come and ask him question.
Question I want for Jesus Shabra from the Jesus Shabra for sinner.
Let me come in, show, please.
So
let me come. I'm talking.
Can you allow Elowube to unlock the camera.
Let him raise his hand. Raise your hand, Emmanuel.
Mighty Dots, unmute yourself.
Yeah, anyone can unmute camera now. You can open your camera now. Anyone that needs camera.
So, Uber, you can open your camera.
Out. It's like 7 a.m. here. So I mean, I was confused. But when I went on the PM X page, I saw that it was live. So I said, let me queue in and support my brothers and sisters in Australia because we are one people. And
Thank you, brother.
yeah, greetings. My brothers in our way, how come in way,
And by Dalo Lineno, only if Konisi, when I saw any and many rock on Pasinketa, as a Copasinketa Malo Numa, I think which by zero, and the Cosidi, and the Kindle, if I be a Prime Minister Kuni Rockwa, Zoduki Biabo, Iabo, Ibo Media, Kaisiko when you were Kozia do Kemba, Geniki when you Kubasta Makaya Bifa. Kabaroke drop for your comment, your own suggestion. Ni endani ne BIAFRA Prime Minister Goni Rao. Thank you so much and stay tuned at Igbo Media. Daro no munem kemesian.